Hey, John Schuster here, Coldwell Banker. We are at the Minnesota State Fair. We're about to go on WCCO radio and talk to Vanita Sakar. Let's go check it out.
On in this market right now, and I got the guru right next to me, John Schuster of the John Schuster Group, Coldwell Banker Realty. You know, my favorite thing about you is you come up and you're like, let's get this party started. That's what I love about you.
Let's have some fun.
Here, let's go.
Let's go. Okay, so we were talking about rates now, and it seems like there's a lot of movement going on. What are you seeing on your end?
You know, we're seeing rates starting to come down slightly. I looked this morning on the Wells Fargo site. They had a 6.5 rate on a conventional loan, which is good. We saw stuff get to the middle sevens. Interest rates are really keeping some people on the sidelines, but we're still seeing prices go up, Vanita. The average sale price in July was over $475,000, hitting a near peak. But as we see those interest rates come down, and I think we are going to see them slightly come down over the next 6 months, I think you're going to see home prices continue to rise.
You sell all and buy all of help people all over the Twin Cities. Is there a certain area of the Twin Cities that's especially hot right now, or is it kind of mixed?
You know, everything right now, single family homes in the first through third ring tier suburbs, if they are turnkey move-in ready homes, they are moving. We're still seeing multiple offers. Some of the homes that are not market ready, those are the ones we're starting to see age on the market, sit on the market longer. Days on market in July was 40 days on market, averaging for the year was 49 days. I think we're going to continue to see an uptick on days on market as we go into fall and winter. And I think for people that are thinking of coming to the market next spring, really preparing yourself and getting your house truly ready to come to the market, I think we're going to have a very robust spring market next year.
You talk turnkey, getting the house ready, taking the pictures now. That is really big, right?
Absolutely. If you're even thinking of selling your home next year, again, one of the hottest times is our spring market. It starts end of February and it runs through the end of May. You got to get exterior green photos now. I mean, think about that. When you want to list your house, one of the best times, March 1. Doesn't look so great outside, does it? You want to get all those exterior photos now, so when people are looking online, all the sites where people look for homes, you want to showcase your home as you love it, the beautiful exterior, the places that you love to spend outside. So we're encouraging everybody today to contact a trusted realtor. If you're thinking of selling next year, get the process started and get those exterior photography done before the snow starts flying.
And I know you got an offer too this month with that, with photos and then staging as well.
Absolutely. Staging is very important. It's not necessarily getting your stuff out and bringing all brand new stuff in. It's decluttering. It's depersonalizing the house. It's getting the house to show great for that buyer coming in so they can see themselves and their family moving into your home.
Okay, I want 3 things we can do to our house that really ups the value. What are you seeing when people walk into a home that really stands out, that can really up the price?
I mean, if you go through and you do updated kitchens and updated bathrooms, that is going to put a smile on people's faces. But the cost to do this nowadays is so expensive. So 3 things we're telling people to do if you're going to get your home on the market. If you have any heavy wear items, like coming through like your flooring or carpet, those are easy to replace. Also coming through and doing updated painting, coming through, and then also lastly, if you have any fixtures that are dated, if you have some of those brass fixtures of the 80s and 70s, those are very inexpensive. We can take those down, put up some updated fixtures. You get updated flooring, you get updated painting, updated fixtures. That can really make your house look turnkey. You also want to spend this time when you have 5 or 6 months getting ready for the spring market. Go through, do a home house assessment. Look through your house if there's any deferred maintenance, anything that's going to be of concern to a buyer when they come through on an inspection. You got the time now to go through and look at those items, get competitive bids, versus trying to get it done in a month if you contact us in February to come to the market.
So those 55 and up communities, which I qualify for now, which I'm proud to do.
I'm getting pretty close.
Yeah, I know.
To
No, you're
I'm
still young.
pretty close.
You're still young. But I qualify, and I'm like, you know what? They look really kind of very fun. There's others that are 63 and up. Are you seeing some more popularity with that one level living too for those as we get older?
Absolutely, Vanita. And a lot of our clients that reach out to us, especially from CCO, they really are looking at that next stage of life, 55 plus living, maintenance-free living. And a lot of times what you're looking for, there might be a wait list. You might be 1 or 2 years out, and you might be on a wait list in 2 or 3 communities. That's why I think it's good to start that process early so you can really identify different areas that you want to live in for some of these communities. get your house ready, and make the process seamless.
John, I don't think a lot of people know you're a gopher, you're a hometown kid
Yeah.
that made it big. I just think it's so fun, your story. Just give us a quick kind of rundown of how you got to do what you're doing.
Well, I never thought I was going to be in real estate. My father was in real estate. My grandfather was in real estate. The one thing I thought I was never going to do was be in real estate. I graduated from the University of Minnesota with a degree in marketing, and I got out and I got into real estate, and I've been in it for 22 years and loving it every day since. Hey, Vanita, I have one shout out real quick, if that's okay.
Please do.
We have Pete and Alice Donnelly sitting out here, my two biggest fans. My niece and nephew want to say hi, guys. Thanks for coming out. And Vanita, there's a ton of people out here.
There are. It's so great to see everybody's faces. You know how it is. You talk into a mic, you do things, and you want to know who's on the other end. This is fantastic to see all these folks.
Well, it's an absolutely beautiful day to be at the State Fair. I think every other time I've come here, it's been like 150 degrees and really hot. And so what a perfect day. I'm going to go out and eat about 5,000 calories of food. I was going to bring you guys some pumpkin spice latte coffee you were talking about earlier, but I didn't want to get kicked out.
I know. Pumpkin spice latte. It's now at Starbucks. I feel like it's too early for that. I mean, I know it feels like fall.
Way too early.
Stick around. We have pimento cheese puffs for all of you that we're going to be coming through with samples. That's our big food item next. John, always good to talk to you.
Always good to see you, Vanita. Always have fun doing this.
He's Mr. Happy. He's Mr. Joy.
Gotta love life.
That's what I love about you.
Gotta love life.
It is 8:20. I want some applause for John Schuster.
Thanks, guys.
And pimento cheese puffs on the way. 8:28 news headlines. And Steve Simpson coming up.
Buy a home, sell a home, we'll get you moving. JohnSchusterGroup.com